Good morning from Kotor. This is day 4 of our trip, and as I promised yesterday, I'm going to show you the view we have from the living room. So here it is. You can just walk out, and this is the view. Right now we're going to the supermarket to buy something for breakfast because it's roughly 8:30. Yeah, before the hike we went to the supermarket to buy some food which we made. It's like this, like bread. So yeah, we'll probably eat this and then we'll go somewhere over there. I would say, I'm not sure where. It might not be even visible, but there's like a nice view of Kotor and its surroundings, so that's what we're going to do, so stay tuned. So it's around 11 AM, a perfect start, perfect weather. Similar to one we had in Dubrovnik. We just entered the Kotor Old Town, which is in UNESCO World Heritage Site. Okay, we're on our way to the fortress. It costs 8 euros to go up. You can also pay in cash and card. There was a small ticket office and I didn't think that it would be possible to pay by card, but it is. It's not bad to go up. It's quite fine. You sometimes get like a good shade. It's interesting. I'm already sweating. I mean, the views are so far really nice, but I can't wait to be up there. We're back on track. Last segment, I would say. I think there's the castle already, so we've done the majority. There are just so many stairs, and we're up. Took roughly 40 minutes, maybe less, maybe more, around that time. It's roughly 3.5 kilometers to go up, but it's like straight ascent. And there's also this roof you can go on and you can have like maybe a bit better view. And tomorrow we'll go probably by that road over there to Budva. Also stay tuned for that one. The views were very nice up there. I'm thinking of going there, like up there. It's twice as long as this one. First of all, we have to squeeze through here and then go by the ladder. It's very interesting, and it's only the beginning. We've still got to do this section up. And I'm running out of battery, so I'll probably just save the battery right now. A quick update from the hike. There are plenty of these like roads, serpentines, or how you call them. Feels like it's eternal. It doesn't have an end. This is how the entire route looks like. We're getting closer to the actual top. That's the view. Since the start, it passed maybe like 40 minutes, could be. This is probably the top. We made it. I mean, I can still continue. Maybe over there, maybe also over there, maybe also on those two. But I think this is fine. We are satisfied with this. This is the road we took to go up. Well, maybe that one could actually be a bit better, so I'm going there right now to see for myself and also for you. And yeah, everything smells like chamomile, or I hope I pronounced it right, the flower you make tea from. Very nice smell. Just to get over there, and that's going to be it. And I'm up. Look at the view. So yeah, talk to you when we are down there at our accommodation somewhere over there, after changing the batteries, recharging everything. Talk to you soon and enjoy the view. The way down is just, I would say, infinite. These rocks are not helping. After roughly 1 hour and something, we're finally back down from the mountains, or I can say it, from the hills. So yeah, I think we're over there. That's quite far from where we are right now. Yep, the best feeling ever, coming from a long hike, taking a nice cold shower and then just chilling with this kind of view. After a very nice rest, we're off to go first of all to see the old town, and then maybe to go to the beach, and last but not least we'll eat at the restaurant that I showed you when we came here. Their menu looked very nice. I only have to admire the clarity of the water. The sun is not visible anymore, but still hasn't set. It's just the mountains that are blocking it. From what I can see, the water is as clean as the one in Dubrovnik. Maybe Dubrovnik water was a bit cleaner, but there's also a ship. I went for a smaller swim. Now we are on the way to the restaurant, but hopefully it will not be actually crowded or like super crowded. So here it is. Let's go inside and hope that they have got some empty seats. So we ordered, it took probably 25 minutes to get our order, but this is how it looks. I got the ribeye steak, a friend got, like, we're sharing a meat plate. I'll probably not record when I'm eating. After we are done eating, I'll definitely tell you what I think about it, so stay tuned. Okay, I'm full. A bit more than I expected it to be, but it's fine. We paid 40 euros together. Outside's fine. Definitely stop by. I'll put a link in the description so you'll be able to see it and everything. Okay, we're back at the accommodation and this is the only thing I really needed. Yeah, okay. So yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a like, maybe share, maybe subscribe. But yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow when we're going to Budva. So take care and bye.